Hello guys! So we're about to get a grab car to go to Raisa Cantawi's event. Pero yung pinsan ko, ayun siya. Magpapadede muna siya ng kanyang baby. Mother duties muna before kalandian. So ayun. Magpipictorial muna ako mag-isa dito while waiting for her. Yan, we're just waiting for our grab car.
Ate nila.
And then this is the babysitter. Ayan. Malapit lang naman dito sa bahay namin yung event. Sa Rockwell lang siya. So, around 15 minutes, I think we're gonna be at the destination. Dito na kami sa grab car.
Doon ba kayo kasama?
Yes. Hopefully, wala namang traffic because it's hot day. Really excited. We're already here at the location. Pasok lang kami sa loob.
Kuya, thank you. Let's give Kuya a round of applause! Ako naka-derby eh. Gupitin next Kuya ha. Magdamit tayo for girls. Pero guys, thank you so much. Ako ay medyo attached lang yung bread. Thank you so much for coming. Hello, and it's really, you know, a very, very special day. It's really good. I cannot explain. Una, it's water-based. So, hindi siya malagkit, kaputin siya, napakatin. Wala siyang tint, hindi din siya pumputin. So, kahit mataas ang SPF niya, SPF 50+. Okay. I always use L'Oreal. Actually, my technique when it comes to foundation, I use 2 to 3. It's either 2 to 3 shades or 2 to 3. So, on the outer is L'Oreal True Match. Sa inner corner, the cover effects. And then, may konting-konti. It's my trick.
Hey guys, so we're on a break right now kasi mag-set up si Raisa. I met someone. Hi, lovely! Yan. She's also a fan of Raisa like us. So, nakasundo kami. Okay. Hi, new friend! Hello! Ay, magbibidyohan kami ni Kuya. Hi, Kuya! Oh my gosh, kilig to the max. I found new friends here. Hello! Si Ella and Jinky. Humaharang kayo. Mamaya mag-vlog ako kasama. Guys, everyone! Sino may cheers? Wait here! Yan ang workshop! Cheers, everyone! Hi, we're here! Lali! Hi, everyone! Hi, viewers of Lali! So pretty! Oh my God! She's too grabe! Nice, super nice ang makeup. Grabe ba?
Sobrang taas. Parang araw-araw mong gulat. Kahit masayahan. Ay, okay lang ako! O di ba may kilay din na sobra namang lalay, sobra namang nakadikit. Parang lagi ka namang galit. Happy birthday! Oh, happy! Pero lagi ka, you know, it's very emotional eh. Pag nakita mo isang tao and nakita mo yung makeup niya, di ba? Kung maganda ka nakadahil, marami ka kung ganyan. Pero ako, naman, while yung forehead, isa may windows beat. White yung sa temples natin, malapit dito. And then medyo prominent yung cheekbone. Medyo patulis yung chin. Kapag triangle, ayan. Kasi may ganyan. Airport. Palapagan ng aeroplanong noo. Kapag sobrang lapad naman ang noo mo, and then hindi naman as prominent yung outer rock. And then, okay. Very, very good. At inubusin ang gusto lumaki!
Hi guys! We're home na from Riza's meet and greet, and we just ate dinner. So, yeah. Hi, say hi. Ano mo yun? Dugyot ka na. Say hello to my anak, Allen. Baby, say hi. So, we're just resting right now. Huh? Yeah? Oh, okay na yan. Baka mabasag na. Thank you. So, yan. Marami kami natutunan kay Rai, and the event was very chill. And, yun. Parang friend lang talaga siya na minute mo. Super approachable niya. So, lalo ko pa siyang minahal. Lalo na yung fangirl yung pinsan ko. Si Frances. Pupuntahan natin siya sa kanyang kwarto. Siya talaga yung nag-introduce sa akin kay Riza. Sabi niya, panoorin ko daw. Siya. Yes. Say hello to Riza. Say your love.
I love you, Rai.
Ayun. So, we'll rest muna.